The film opens with a scene of weapons and a suitcase full of money placed on a table. Two bosses, Dr. Lee and Dr. Ken, are holding weapons in their hands, facing off against the thieves and their boss Sikman. Both sides charge at each other, engaging in a fierce fight. Dr. Lee is battling two thieves intensely. Dr. Ken faces Sikman alone, and they begin to fight fiercely as well. The battle continues with intense action and no end in sight. Dr. Lee manages to defeat one of the thieves, but his comrade retaliates by kicking him away. Dr. Lee is at a disadvantage against the remaining thief. Dr. Ken notices and kills the remaining thief. Sikman, refusing to give up, continues to fight, but he underestimates Dr. Ken's strength. Frightened, Sikman quickly flees. Dr. Ken laughs triumphantly, then goes to his comrade.
So much money. Good job. Yeah.
They grab the suitcase and weapons and leave. On a green path, two beautiful women, Rose and Lisa, are happily strolling.
Susan Here.
Sikman, fleeing in panic, spots the two women.
Here, give you. Thank you. Let's go. You go first.
Rose tells Lisa to go ahead while she follows behind. Lisa decides to wait for Rose, sitting by the roadside. Sikman, plotting something evil, slowly approaches Lisa from behind. Meanwhile, Rose is happily playing with the sun hat she made herself. Sikman cruelly knocks Lisa unconscious. When Rose arrives, Lisa is nowhere to be seen.
Lisa!
Rose turns around and only sees the hat she had just given Lisa. She looks around and then leaves to search for Lisa.
Where you go?
Sikman drags Lisa to a tree and watches as the two bosses approach. Sikman smirks and then leaves. The two bosses are talking when Dr. Lee notices a girl under the tree.
Hey, what's up? Hey, look.
Dr. Ken approaches Lisa to check if she is still alive.
Okay. Let's go.
Seeing no other option, Dr. Ken carries Lisa back to their hideout. Sikman approaches Rose, pretending to tell her about a kidnapping, claiming that Lisa is the
How do
victim.
you know? Where is she?
This way. She's friendly.
Hearing this, Rose hurriedly runs off to find Lisa. Sikman laughs, pleased that Rose fell for his trick. Rose arrives and sees Lisa being carried away by someone, making her furious. The two bosses return to their hideout.
Hi, what are you here?
Dr. Ken places Lisa by the window, waiting for her to wake up.
Hi, sir.
Dr. Lee is holding the money they acquired, and Dr. Ken joins him, happily counting the money. Rose sneaks closer to the boss's hideout, observing them. She is angry that they have captured Lisa, unaware that she has fallen into Sikman's trap. Rose uses a throwing dart to kill one of the guards from a distance. His comrades start searching for the attacker. Rose slowly approaches the hideout, using another dart to eliminate another guard. Rose picks up a gun and enters the hideout. Sikman hides behind a tree grinning. Rose quietly climbs the stairs and starts shooting at the guards. They return fire. The two bosses hear the noise and rush out.
Okay.
One grabs a gun and leaves, while the other hides the suitcase. Rose charges in quickly taking down a guard. Dr. Lee comes out and shoots at her repeatedly. Rose finds herself under heavy attack, so she moves to a different position. Rose reappears from behind and takes down the last guard. She loudly demands to know where Lisa is. Dr. Lee looks back at Lisa. Dr. Ken realizes what's going on. Dr. Ken tries to restrain Rose by holding the gun and explaining everything to her.
Save her. Where is she?
Follow me. Come down.
Dr. Ken also orders his comrade to stop shooting. Rose runs to Lisa and tries to wake her up.
Lisa. Lisa. Lisa.
Lisa wakes up confused.
Where is it? Where am I?
Sikman comes up and starts shooting wildly at the two bosses, killing Dr. Lee on the spot.
Got me. You bite my suppressed.
Dr. Ken, angry. Rose tells Lisa to stay put while she goes to assist. Rose steps out and starts shooting at Sikman, forcing him to dodge.
You're a liar.
Dr. Ken appears from behind, using his expert skills to take down Sikman.
Goodbye.
Dr. Ken turns and walks away.
Rose, what
Lisa
happened?
goes to Rose and asks what happened.
Everything okay. Let's go.
Rose looks over at the boss for a moment before leaving as well.